In this video, I'm going to show you how to backdate standards. Say, for example, you had a process improvement earlier in the month or earlier in a past time that you forgot to change the standards, and you now want to change the standard to go back a month or 2 or 3 to see what was the improvements. So this is backdating standards. So I'm going to go here on the left hand side to KZN branch, Durban plant, select the machine shop, and then I'm going to select the lathe 501. So I'm first want to go and check at the standard list here at the inputs. I'm going to go and check what is the standard time. For part 1, you can see the standard time is 0.01. I want to change that to a new standard of 0.99, but I want to change it from the 1st of March, for example, in 2020. So I'm going to click here on the lathe 501 again. I'm going to go and say scroll down to the inputs, go down, you'll see here Backdate Standards, this one. I'm going to click on there, and then I'm going to click here at the backdate from. I'm going to click here and I'm going to say today's the 20th. I'm going to go back to the 1st of March. I'm going to click on the 1st of March, select the work element. I'm going to click here and I'm going to say that is part A. And then the new standard time, I'm going to click there and say 0.99. And I'm going to say save changes. Part A will be backdated. Okay. I'm going to go back to lathe A, lathe 501. There you can see standard time of part A. Part A was backdated. We say okay. I'm going to go back to lathe 501 and I'm going to go click on the standard list, and I'm going to see the standard has changed to 0.99, but it's from the 1st of March.